The mirrorless camera market is heating up, and Nikon's gearing up to make waves. Rumor has it that the Nikon Z5 II, a powerful upgrade to their entry-level full-frame lineup, is just around the corner. According to the latest buzz in the photography community, Nikon could unveil this highly anticipated model as early as the first quarter of 2025. The Z5 II promises to bring exciting updates that could make it a game-changer. Get ready as we dive into everything we know so far about the specs, price, and expected release date of this must-watch camera. The original Nikon Z5, launched in 2020, earned high marks for bringing full-frame mirrorless technology to enthusiast photographers at an affordable price. Now, with the rumored Z5 II, Nikon seems to be building on that foundation by refining, rather than reinventing, what worked well. One of the standout potential upgrades is the rumored addition of Nikon's cutting-edge Speed 7 image processor, which could improve autofocus speed, burst shooting, and high ISO performance, making this camera a more capable tool in a variety of shooting conditions. The new processor might also enhance power efficiency. Even though it's likely the Z5 II will still use the Yin EL25 battery from the original model. On the design front, the Z5 II is expected to bring a refreshed body, with tweaks to ergonomics and improved weather sealing. Nikon might also introduce a fully articulating vari-angle screen, similar to the one on the Z6 II, a feature that would be especially useful for vloggers and content creators looking to compose shots from multiple angles. Connectivity upgrades are another focus, with a rumored addition of a USB-C port for faster data transfer and more flexible charging options. Despite keeping the same 24.3 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor as the original Z5, Nikon's choice may reflect confidence in the sensor's capabilities, allowing them to concentrate on optimizing performance and handling. All in all, the rumored Z5 II appears to aim for a balanced update, bringing improvements in key areas without pushing into entirely new territory. While this approach may feel conservative to some, it could be exactly what Nikon's fans and full-frame newcomers are looking for in a reliable, refined mirrorless camera. Nikon has a reputation for refining and perfecting their technology over introducing drastic changes with each new model. For those considering a full-frame mirrorless system, the Z5 II could be an appealing gateway into Nikon's ecosystem. By pairing a tried-and-tested sensor with an updated processor and added features, Nikon seems to be creating an attractive option for photographers looking to upgrade from crop sensor cameras or seeking a dependable second body. That said, the camera market remains fiercely competitive, and Nikon will need to carefully position the Z5 II to stand out among rivals. Pricing, lens options, and overall value will be crucial in determining how well the Z5 II is received. As with any unconfirmed information, it's wise to remain skeptical. Nikon has yet to confirm any Z5 II details, and rumors are always subject to change. However, if an early 2025 release is on the horizon, an official announcement could be just around the corner. To sum up, the Z5 II is shaping up to be a thoughtful evolution of its predecessor. By enhancing processing power, usability, and connectivity, Nikon may be aiming to improve upon an already solid foundation rather than overhaul it. For Nikon fans and those exploring mirrorless options, this update could play a key role in Nikon's strategy to welcome new users into their lineup, while offering existing customers an attractive upgrade path. Thanks for tuning in. If you're excited about the Nikon Z5 II, let us know in the comments. What features are you most looking forward to? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates as we get closer to the release. Stay creative, and we'll see you in the next video.